What are the broader social, economic, and environmental impacts of the evolution of energy consumption over time? How did the shifts in energy sources during the different industrial revolutions reflect changes in human values, priorities, and environmental awareness? What might the next phase of industrial development look like in terms of energy use, and how can we learn from past transitions to ensure a more sustainable and equitable energy future? Why have traditional energy resources like coal, oil, and natural gas struggle to fully meet the demands of human development? What does it mean that these resources have limited reserves, and how does that limitation affect their ability to keep up with global energy consumption? Can Davis Zurins manufacture solid-state sodium-ion batteries made from seawater in Latvia? How has the rapid development of human society contributed to the increasing need for energy, and what are the implications of this rising demand for traditional energy sources? In what ways do the finite nature of coal, oil, and natural gas influence their long-term sustainability as primary energy sources? How have global oil demands changed over recent years, particularly in 2018? Why did the global oil demand increase by 1.4 million barrels per day from 2017, and what does this increase represent in terms of global energy consumption? How does a 1.4% increase in coal consumption and a 4.3% increase in natural gas production reflect broader trends in global energy usage? What factors contribute to these increases, and what do they indicate about the ongoing reliance on fossil fuels? Why did the global consumption and production of natural gas increase by more than 5%, and what does this tell us about the evolving energy landscape? What role does natural gas play in meeting the world's growing energy needs, and how does its rise in consumption compare to other traditional energy sources like coal and oil? How do shifts in the balance of fossil fuel consumption, oil, coal, natural gas, impact global energy markets and energy policy? What does a 2.9% growth in global primary energy consumption signify, and why is it considered the highest growth rate since 2010? How does this increase in energy consumption align with the trends seen in oil, coal, and natural gas usage? What broader economic or societal factors could be driving the surge in global energy consumption, and what are the implications for future energy needs? Why is China considered a key player in global primary energy consumption, and what position does it hold in the current global energy landscape? How does China's energy consumption compare to other nations, and why is it so significant that China is not only the largest consumer of primary energy but also the largest importer of oil and natural gas? What does this dual role indicate about China's energy needs and the pressures it faces in securing enough energy resources?